Did you know that American drivers collectively spend more than $500 billion every year on gasoline, according to the U.S. Energy Information Administration? Yet automotive experts estimate that billions of dollars are wasted annually because of simple refueling mistakes that most drivers repeat every week without realizing the consequences. Some of these mistakes slowly damage fuel pumps, clog injectors, or even trigger costly check engine lights that mechanics later charge hundreds of dollars to diagnose. Others simply drain your wallet by reducing fuel efficiency over time. In this video, we will break down the 13 most common mistakes drivers make before and during refueling, explain the science behind them, and reveal how these habits can quietly cost you hundreds of dollars over the life of your vehicle. Stick around until the end because mistake number 7 is something 99% of drivers in the United States do during every refueling without thinking about it. Let's get started with one of the most common refueling mistakes. Mistake number 13, the empty tank gamble. One of the most pervasive habits among American drivers is treating the low fuel warning light as a suggestion rather than an urgent warning, and often relying on miles to empty displays that can be inaccurate by over 6.4%. The mechanical reality is that your fuel pump is an electric motor located inside the gas tank. When the fuel level drops below a quarter tank, the pump begins to pull in air and excessive heat, which significantly accelerates the wear on the motor's internal bushings and armatures. In 2026, the labor and parts for a fuel pump replacement on a standard vehicle have climbed to between $700 and $1,100, making this procrastination one of the most expensive habits you can have. By maintaining at least a quarter tank of gas at all times, you ensure the pump remains submerged and cool, effectively extending the lifespan of your vehicle's entire fuel delivery system for years. Mistake number 12, the 2026 sliding trend. This is the biggest safety mistake of 2026, and it is called sliding. As we move through 2026, we are seeing a dramatic 26% increase in a specific type of gas station crime known as sliding, which targets drivers who are preoccupied at the pump. This tactic involves a thief pulling up in a vehicle parallel to your passenger side, often staying low to the ground to avoid being seen through your mirrors. While you are focused on the pump interface or distracted by your smartphone, the perpetrator slides into your unlocked passenger door to snatch wallets, purses, or electronic devices in less than 10 seconds. To mitigate this risk, it is necessary to lock your vehicle the moment you exit to begin fueling, even if you are standing only inches away from the door. Mistake number 11, topping off after the click. Now, let's discuss the mistake almost everyone makes. Topping off after the click. Many people believe adding extra fuel will give them a little more driving range, but this habit can actually damage an important component in modern vehicles called the evaporative emissions system. This system uses a charcoal canister to capture gasoline vapors and prevent them from escaping into the atmosphere. When drivers force additional fuel into the tank after it's already full, liquid gasoline can enter this vapor system and saturate the charcoal canister. Once the canister becomes flooded, it can no longer absorb vapors properly, which may trigger a check engine light or fuel vapor leaks. Topping off fuel tanks also releases unnecessary gasoline vapors that contribute to air pollution. Recent data suggests that replacing a compromised EVAP system can cost anywhere from $530 to $1,114. The smartest move is simple. Once the nozzle clicks, stop fueling immediately. Mistake number 10, the premium gas tax. Let's talk about the premium gas myth, which is basically a voluntary tax drivers pay out of confusion. According to AAA research, Americans waste over $2 billion every year by buying premium fuel for cars that only require regular gasoline. In reality, the fuel octane rating like 87, 89, or 93 is simply a measure of the fuel's ability to resist knocking. High-performance or turbocharged engines require higher octane to operate safely under these extreme conditions. But for the average commuter car, 87 octane fuel is perfectly sufficient and what the engine was calibrated for. Using 91 or 93 octane in an engine designed for 87 octane fuel provides absolutely no increase in horsepower, no improvement in fuel economy, as the EPA mandates the same detergent levels across all grades. So unless your owner's manual specifically says premium fuel required, or at least premium recommended, you are essentially paying extra money for zero benefit. Mistake number 9, ignoring static electricity while pumping gas. One of the most dangerous behaviors at a gas station is re-entering your vehicle while the pump is still running. And this habit alone contributes to roughly 35% of all pump-related fires, according to the NFPA. When you slide back into your car seat to stay warm or check your phone, the friction between your clothing and the seat material generates a significant amount of static electricity on your body. And when you eventually exit the car and reach for the metal pump handle, right at the point where invisible, highly flammable gasoline vapors are most concentrated. The simple solution recommended by safety experts is to briefly touch a metal part of your vehicle before grabbing the fuel nozzle. This instantly discharges any static electricity and reduces the chance of sparks forming near fuel vapors.
Mistake number 8, the digital skimmer trap. As we head further into 2026, the most sophisticated threat at the pump is not mechanical. It is the evolution of Bluetooth credit card skimmers. While many Americans have switched to tap to pay, but a significant 22% of gas stations in rural or older suburban areas still rely on physical card inserts that are incredibly vulnerable to internal skimming devices. These modern skimmers are no longer bulky plastic overlays. They are thin, invisible circuits placed inside the pump's card reader that transmit your data via Bluetooth to a thief sitting in a car nearby. To protect your finances, always prioritize using mobile wallet options like Apple Pay or Google Pay, which use encrypted tokenization that makes your actual card number invisible to the pump. If you must use a physical card, try to use the pumps closest to the attendant's window, as these are statistically less likely to be tampered with due to high visibility. Mistake number 7, not turning the engine off while refueling. A surprisingly common habit that remains a major safety violation is leaving the engine running while refueling. When your engine is running, electrical components such as the alternator, ignition coils, and starter circuits are active, and under certain conditions, these components can produce tiny electrical sparks. Gasoline vapors around the fuel pump nozzle are extremely flammable, and although accidents are rare, but safety organizations still strongly discourage refueling with the engine running. If the system detects unusual vapor pressure changes, it can trigger a check engine light that requires diagnostic testing. In the United States, diagnostic inspections for these warning lights typically cost $100 to $200, even if nothing is actually broken. Turning off the engine before fueling is a simple step that eliminates both safety risks and unnecessary expenses. Mistake number 5, forgetting to tighten the gas cap properly. One of the simplest yet most expensive refueling mistakes is forgetting to tighten the gas cap after filling the tank. Modern vehicles rely on sealed fuel systems to control gasoline vapors and maintain proper fuel pressure. If the gas cap is loose or not fully tightened, the system may detect a leak and trigger the check engine light. Many drivers panic when the check engine light appears and immediately visit a repair shop for inspection. Mechanics often perform diagnostic scans that can cost $100 to $150, only to discover the issue was simply an improperly tightened gas cap. Most fuel caps are designed to click several times when properly tightened, which indicates the seal is secure. Mistake number 4, the cores pull stretch. We have all seen the driver who pulls into the wrong side of the pump and tries to stretch the hose over the trunk or roof to reach the fuel door on the opposite side. It may seem like a clever time saver, but this puts immense tension on the pump's breakaway valve, which is designed to snap off in an emergency. Beyond the safety risk, the heavy rubber hose and metal nozzle frequently rub against your car's clear coat, causing deep scratches and swirl marks that can cost $300 to $600 to professionally buff out or repaint. That's why, take the extra 60 seconds to find a pump that aligns with your fuel door. Your car's paint job and the station's safety equipment will be much better off for it. Mistake number 3,
Refueling right after a fuel tanker delivers gas. One mistake many drivers don't think about is refueling immediately after a fuel tanker truck finishes delivering gasoline to the station. When the underground storage tanks at a gas station are refilled, the incoming fuel creates turbulence that stirs up sediment sitting at the bottom of the tank. This sediment can include rust particles, dirt, and even small traces of water that accumulate over time. When the fuel becomes agitated, those contaminants temporarily mix with the gasoline before eventually settling again. The American Automobile Association has reported that contaminated fuel is responsible for thousands of roadside breakdowns in the United States every year. In many cases, cleaning clogged fuel injectors can cost $150 to $400, while replacing a damaged fuel pump can easily exceed $900. Simply waiting 20 to 30 minutes after a tanker delivery allows the debris to settle and drastically reduces this risk. Mistake number 2, using your phone while refueling. Many drivers scroll through their phones while waiting for the tank to fill, thinking it's harmless because they are simply passing time. However, safety experts warn that using a phone at the gas pump can create distractions that increase the risk of fuel spills or other accidents. According to reports referenced by the National Fire Protection Association, driver distraction is one of the most common factors involved in fueling-related incidents at gas stations in the United States. When drivers become focused on their phone screens, they may fail to notice when the pump shuts off, accidentally spill gasoline, or even drive away with the nozzle still inserted in the vehicle. The Petroleum Equipment Institute estimates that more than 5,000 gas station drive-off incidents occur every day in the United States, and many caused by distracted drivers. Mistake number 1, ignoring signs of water or contaminated fuel. A final mistake drivers sometimes make is ignoring early warning signs that fuel may be contaminated. Water contamination can occur if moisture enters underground storage tanks or if fuel systems at a station are not properly maintained. Contaminated gasoline can cause symptoms such as rough engine performance or hesitation during acceleration. Repairing damage caused by contaminated gasoline. Therefore, if your car suddenly runs poorly right after refueling, it is often wise to keep the receipt from the gas station and have the vehicle inspected quickly. Catching the problem early can prevent more serious and expensive damage to the engine and fuel system. That's all for this video. Refueling your car may seem like one of the simplest things you do every week, but as you've seen today, small habits at the gas pump can quietly waste money, damage your fuel system, and even create safety risks. By avoiding these common mistakes and following smarter refueling habits, you can protect your engine, improve fuel efficiency, and potentially save hundreds of dollars every year. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.